Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small bank where Morgan Stanley France S.A.S. has bought 81 lakhs 29,150 shares at Rs 45.97. The bulk deal took place on the 7th of March on the National Stock Exchange. Now, for those of you who do not know, Morgan Stanley is a financial behemoth and its investment into a stock price is pretty significant. Also friends, going forward, we will be alternating between Hindi and English as our language for the videos, and this video, as we had earlier said, is in English. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Vijaya Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 46.05 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is VIJAYABANK. Now Vijaya Bank is a public sector bank offering various financial products and services such as deposit products, loans and advances, card services, remittances and collection, and also non-resident Indian services. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been a laggard and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. Recently, there has also been a merger which has been announced here. Now, the market cap of the company is 6,005.60 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 4.87 translates into a cheap price to earnings ratio of 9.46, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 9.07. The price to book ratio of 0.61 is very cheap. The company also has a very attractive dividend yield of 2.61%, whereas the promoter holding is also a very strong number at 68.77%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.